everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest from PixVerse, its new model, V3. This release brings a load of exciting new effects and styles, plus video extension and LipSync features, making waves in the AI world. Whether you're a PixVerse fan or a newcomer, this update is sure to impress, especially with the big improvements in video quality. So, what exactly is new in V3? Let's get into it. Feature 1. 10 new effects. PixVerse V3 adds a bunch of cool effects like the Venom effect. Just upload an image, click Generate, it's created for you. Other fun effects include Hug, Zombie, Squish It, Wizard Hat, and more. They're similar to effects from Pika, but keep in mind these are exclusive to V3. Here are a few examples we created. Feel free to check them out. You can find the link in the description below to try them out yourself. Feature 2. Style Options. PixVerse V3 expands style options, giving you control over aspects like aspect ratio, video length, and character customization. Whether you're aiming for anime, 3D animation, or clay, you'll have plenty of options to bring your vision to life. Plus, the platform's text-to-video feature is more robust, allowing users to create detailed animations from simple text prompts. Feature 3. LipSync. This is a game changer. LipSync lets you match character lip movements to any text you input without altering the original video. It's super easy to use. After generating your video, just click LipSync. A dialog box will pop up where you can type your script, select a voiceover, or even upload an audio clip of up to 30 seconds.
Super easy to use. After generating your video, just click LipSync.
Feature 4. Extend. With the Extend feature, you can add an extra 5 to 8 seconds to your video with a simple text prompt. If you have enough credits, you can keep extending, making it easy to generate long-form videos. Other updates include bug fixes and improvements in video quality. So whether you're a YouTuber, a brand, or just love creative tools, PixVerse V3 is a powerful addition to your toolkit. What will you create with it? Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts on PixVerse V3 in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.